Greetings. As a pregnant woman, have you noticed that sometimes there's this roaring sound in your ear? There's this sound, very like transformer sound. You just be feeling it in your ear. One of your ear or the two of your ears. Like that's the kind of sound. Or like a lion roaring, making a sound. What do you think it is? It's called tinnitus. Tinnitus. The reason is, for some women, the reason is because of your pregnancy. Because of the circulating hormones, the estrogen and progesterone in pregnancy, that's the reason you are having that tinnitus. Another reason it could be because of you are anemic. Anemia is a cause of tinnitus. So you notice the sound will just make like something is buzzing in your ear. You look around, you are not saying it. Right? It's called tinnitus. Anemia, your pregnancy, your blood pressure could also be the reason. Your elevated blood pressure could also be the reason you are having tinnitus. So if you are having tinnitus, it may be because of the pregnancy or anemia. Check your PCV, check your blood pressure to see. Right? Thank you and bye-bye.